What's up guys, today I'm going to be bringing you guys an unboxing of the DBPOWER DJS30. It's a portable car jump starter and it's got multiple other features on it as well, and I'll go and get into that. So out of the box comes in a nice little portable carrying case. Pretty nice. Pretty heavy duty as well. Alrighty. So here we have a couple manuals and safety instructions and everything as well. Here is the 12-volt charger to charge the jump starter, the portable jump starter in the car. We've got the jumper cables as well. There's multiple adapters for if you have a laptop, you can actually use this to charge your laptop. So it's got multiple different pins as well. Here is the regular wall outlet charger. Here is the little adapter for the laptop pins, and it comes with a little micro USB cable as well. Here we have all the different voltages and ranges that this has. This one is, I believe it's 16,500 milliamp hour. And here it is itself. Nice little snug packaging with it as well. Here we have LED lights, so at night if your car is stuck or a flat tire, you can always put this on top of your car, turn on these lights as a warning or indicator that you are there. Alright, so here we have the port for the jumper cables, the power switch for the pack, an input, a power input I believe, an USB output, power indicator showing how much power the pack has left. It does have a built-in lithium-ion battery. It's got the output for the laptop charger, and then the voltage that it's going to be pushing out, it'll do anywhere from 12, 16 to 19 volts. It's a small little compact piece, which is really nice, and even comes with a nice case as well, which can be tucked inside your glove box. It's small enough to fit. You can have it in anywhere, easy to carry. They have other versions as well. I just went for the biggest one. The max for cars, the max this can do, I believe it's a 5.0 liter. This cannot help jumpstart anything higher than a 5.0. So if you guys have any other questions, if I didn't answer anything or you want to know a little bit more about it, just go and leave a comment down below. I'll go and reply back to you as soon as I can, and we're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.